Most people who seek counseling have internal experiences that they don't want to have. Taking action modules are not designed to get rid of or necessarily solve whatever it was that prompted you to seek support from the counseling center. No brief online modules could do that. Taking action modules are designed to introduce you to concepts of mindfulness and acceptance, help you understand your problems in new ways, create flexibility in how you deal with these problems, and help you start making choices that move you in the direction of living your life more fully. Taking Action is a program that uses the most recent research to introduce a variety of tools that you can apply now and also for years to come. These tools may be conceptual, such as learning useful metaphors or thinking strategies, or experiential, such as learning mindfulness techniques that we will practice together. The skills taught in Taking Action are difficult ones that take time to fully develop. Give yourself space to learn, room for doubt, and permission to keep going during times when you're having trouble. Expect that you may feel uncomfortable, and if it ever feels like too much, feel free to stop doing the exercises. So what's the alternative to control and that tug of war struggle? It's willingness. Since taking action modules are based on acceptance and commitment therapy, it's really important to understand these concepts. Acceptance is a willingness to experience whatever is showing up for you with openness and without judgment. This is not the same as resignation, giving in, tolerating. We're really talking about taking a stance of acceptance towards your internal experiences. Commitment means actively moving towards what you want in your life. It means committing to engage in actions that are consistent with what you value, what's important to you. You can experience anxiety or some other form of internal discomfort and move in the direction of valued living, as opposed to waiting for discomfort to go away before acting in a committed way towards what's important to you. The most basic way to practice willingness is through mindfulness of the present moment. We will start by cultivating basic mindfulness skills. Go ahead and get in a comfortable sitting position and place your feet flat on the floor. As we do this exercise, you can either close your eyes, or if you prefer not to, you can leave them open with your lids half closed and your gaze set low on a point in front of you. Begin by allowing your eyes to close gently. Now turn your attention to your breathing. There's no need to change your breathing in any way. Just notice as it naturally is. Notice what the air feels like as you inhale and as it fills up your chest and belly. And then as you exhale. Notice the temperature of the air. Is it warm, cold, neutral? Next, turn your attention to your body in the chair. Scan your body, observing the places where you make contact with the chair. Notice the sensations of pressure there. As you do this exercise, you will notice that your mind tends to drift off. That's completely normal. Minds are prone to drifting off towards problem solving, predicting, worrying, planning, and a lot of other activities. When you notice this, just gently bring yourself back to this moment and the exercise. Next, turn your attention to the places where your skin makes contact with the air. On your face, on your hands, wherever. Notice the sensations there. Next, turn your attention to the sounds around you, both inside your room and, if you can pick them out, outside your room. Finally, bring your attention back to your breathing. Watch the rise and fall in your chest and belly as your breath flows in and out. This here, what you're noticing, is the present moment. You're practicing mindfulness. That is paying attention to the here and now without judgment. You can practice mindfulness both informally and formally. Informal mindfulness means being open, non judgmental, and present with your everyday experiences versus just doing them mindlessly. Some examples include being mindful of eating, walking, everyday chores and tasks, such as washing dishes, showering, brushing your teeth, or breathing, which we just did some practice with. You can also engage in formal practice. There's a multitude of phone apps that provide guided mindfulness meditations, one being Stop, Breathe, and Think. There's also various websites and podcasts that provide formal guided mindfulness meditation.